Hi, I'm Franz. This is VideoPad, and let's see how to animate transparency in VideoPad. For example, I have such an image like for background, and I have this house, and I want it to appear on my image, but to be transparent at the very beginning, then to appear, then to disappear again. So, firstly, I have to zoom out to see better what happens, because the duration of my future video is half seconds only. It's not good, so I will increase it until 10 seconds, for example. So I am drag and dropping this house, and I will do the duration of both images the same. Now I have my house. I'm clicking. I did the left click of my mouse and choose this image, and then do right click and find effects and add transparency effect. So this is transparency effect, and now let us see transparency. Right now it's like chosen 50%, so if it's 50% we cannot see nicely. Then if it's 0, our house disappears, and if it's 1, we can see it clearly. So let's say at the very beginning we want house to be not visible, so opacity will be 0%. Then let's do the animation. So I will add keyframe in the middle of our time period, something like in 5th second. I will change opacity to 100%, and don't forget to add keyframe. You see those dots means that you have keyframes here. Let's move our slider to the end of the time period and change opacity something like to 47%. Okay, now let us see how it works. Let's close our effects window and see what do we have. Now house appears and becoming less visible. That's it. Do your animation.